You know it's really bad whenever you start a video and you notice that the mod you're using, how it has that little cup on there that keeps the wind away, has dog hair on it. Then you notice there's dog hair on the other side of the lens, which I'm hoping it's not getting the video. You know it's bad when this happens. Just saying. Guys, it is the last day of our vacation. And I figured we would talk a little bit about that. Let me show you where I is. I am at Gladys Russell. Beautiful place. Right over there is the start of one of the mini trails. We're going to go all the way around. Try not to go too fast. And way over yonder there is the lake, which I will not be getting at today, sad to say. Reason being, there is people over there fishing, and I don't want to disturb them. And let me show you a little bit of Kitt. I want to show you how he gets when he gets to a place he hasn't been in a while. All right, Kitt, let's go. Watch him mind. See this? See how he's pulling? No, no. Hey, stay. Everything I taught him goes to hell in a handbasket. Now, he'd do this probably for the next 5-10 minutes. Then he'll start minding me. Now, I'll always choke his leash up a little higher on his neck. That will keep him from doing this. But let him get some sniffers in. Let him be a dog for once. I mean, he's under my command all the other times. Let him be a dog, you know. All right, end of vacation, the very last day. Let's recap on some of the vacation that we had. Let's recap on Angie's kneecap. Yeah, you know, my wife that slipped and fell out of bed at 4 o'clock in the morning. If we was to make it right down that trail, there is 100% shade, but we did not apply tick repellent on us. You think we would have learned our lesson from being up for sales, going to the observation deck on trails I was not 100% familiar with, only because they changed them. Yeah, I had to put that in. And we know this place is loaded with ticks through the trails because the very first time we ever hit these trails was either in January or December. And when we came out, and this is the very first time we found this place, many years ago, we was loaded with ticks. Loaded. And I made the statement then, I said, I didn't think you'd get ticks in the middle of winter. And she looked it up. You sure can. You definitely can. And today is a hot day. Oh my gosh. Okay, come here, Ange, real quick. Let me finish this. Yeah, today's a hot day. It's going to be, we're in the heat wave for the next many, 8-9 days. I was sitting here, I was looking. Let me show you guys. Don't think you're going to see it, but I was looking and I was not catching the trees down the other end, right? And I was seeing something move down there and I kept looking. I was like, somebody down there coming up the trail. But no, it was that tree down there moving, but I couldn't see it because that tree was, it's hard to explain. It was the trick of the eyes. All right, guys, let's talk about this lovely creature. Hey, I got you on video. Turn around. Come on, don't be shy. You've only been on this for, God, what, since 2010? Let's talk about your kneecap. Okay, I want you to do me a favor. Stay, no. Well, I'm going to do me a favor. Hold up one hand. Okay, right there, guys. I'm going to show you her kneecap, what it looked like the very next day after she hurt it. You smell that? Uh-huh. Okay, right there. That's what her kneecap looked like. It looks a lot better now. So either that's a skunk we're smelling or somebody. Ain't that bad? It's pretty bad when you can't tell the difference anymore between a skunk and, I might as well say, a skunk weed. Because here where I live, in this part of Indiana, you smell it everywhere, folks. I'm here to tell you, you do smell it. And it's hard to tell, you can't tell the difference. And somebody could be smoking way over yonder there, and that stuff will linger over here in the air. It's pretty bad, you can't tell the difference. But anyway, yes, her knee was healing up nicely. As you can see, she did a number on it, which affected the vacation, but not as bad as we thought it would. We wasn't able to try out the rowboat like I wanted to see how we would do before we buy an inflatable boat, but that's okay. We got all summer to try this. We wasn't able to go to some places that was a good distance away, like Brown County State Park, like we was wanting to, because, and this is going to sound funny, I didn't want my wife being in a car for that long period of time, you know, her knee sitting in the chair, the seat of the car. In other words, I didn't think she would feel comfortable, which is funny because, guys, there it is again. Okay, gotta get my mind what I'm doing. That might be a damn skunk too.
I think that's a skunk. Kitt, what are you
That
doing?
might be off that. Guys, I'll be back. Okay, we're going to scan the tree line, see if there is a skunk in there. But like I was saying a second ago, we took some long car rides. Found some forgotten cemeteries. We filmed one and all that stuff. I don't see a skunk. So she could have handled the long car ride after all. Even though she had an injury, come on, Kitt, we gotta watch, make sure you don't pick anything up. We still had a great time on vacation, folks. We explored so many places. I'll be right back. Okay, there was some people leaving, and I'm moving down closer to the lake. But this part is for my buddy Sam. Sam, you came to Gladys Russell and fished. You and your lovely wife, right? You guys fished on the other side of this lake. Let me show you something. You can pull your car all the way up to right here. You only have to walk this distance to the lake. That's it. You don't have to fish from the other side. You can come to this side. We may be coming back here fishing. The fishing here isn't the best. We've only caught a few bluegills, but most of the time you're by yourself. You know, most of the time it's very peaceful. I mean, right now, listen. It's peaceful. Okay, back to the vacation. The only mishap we had was Angie hurting her leg, you know, her knee. Everything else went off without a hitch, basically. We didn't do some of the things we had planned, but then again, we had a blast. We explored so many places. Oh my God. We like I said, we found a lot of graveyards. We just had a great time. And we did a lot of fishing too. A lot of fishing. I caught a couple carps. I'm not going to show them because we didn't get pictures of all of them. I didn't videotape the fishing trips because on the fishing trips I will videotape. I want it to be something nice to the viewer's eyes, like you all. Instead of me sitting there saying, well, they're biting, they ain't biting. I want to do something special with that. And plus, it's a little hard to keep, well, to do videos and keep an eye on Kitt. Kitt's picked up a nasty habit of digging in the ground. Yeah, he's picked up a little nasty habit of digging in the ground. Now, I looked up online how to stop him from doing that, right? It says take a bunch of toys and all this other junk. That ain't gonna work. I even seen one comment that says, well, when your dog poops, keep some of that poo and put it in the holes he digs. All he's gonna do then is leave the hole he was digging and go dig a fresh one. So yeah, that's one of the things we were battling. That is probably the worst one right now, is him digging. And that's the last thing I want to happen, is the DNR to roll up on us and, yep, you know your dog ain't allowed doing that. Well, we're not letting them dig holes. We're stopping them instantly. Let's get back in the grass, Kitt. That blacktop's gotta be hot on your paws. So we're stopping them instantly, but still, you know. Just saying. And you still know. But vacation's over with after today, guys. It's actually evening time right now, so our vacation's pretty much over. Back to work week tomorrow. We will have another vacation in September. Hoping to do a lot of things then. See, this is one of the reasons we don't plan. It seems like it might be a curse. Whenever we plan something or whatever, something comes up. I mean, come on, think about it for a second. The very first day at 4 o'clock in the morning, your wife falls out of the bed and busts her kneecap up. But let me tell you something, my nephew Rusty, his wife on their first day of vacation breaks her leg. Yeah, these things do happen. I was more worried about Angie than anything else. I didn't give two craps about vacation. But her kneecap is healing up nicely. Thank God for that. Alright guys, until next time. I got a lot of videos to run through, so I'll probably take a couple days off YouTube. Don't worry, you guys are going to miss no videos, because all these vacation videos are running through. You've already seen them, because you're seeing this one right now. You've already seen the ones running through. I still have to edit them up. I got 4 videos to edit up yet. So I probably going to get them edited up, and through this week, when I take Kitt for a walk, I'll be taking them early morning. Possibly before the sun comes up if I could do it. Because it's going to be hot. We are hitting our heat wave. Alright guys, so next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Maybe an adventure, who knows. It'd be something. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here.